Hi everyone, I am Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make tasty chocolate modak using whole wheat flour, that is Gehun ka aata. So let's get started. Heat a thick bottom kadhai or a pan and add 1/4 cup ghee, that is 4 tablespoon ghee. Then add 1 cup whole wheat flour, that is Gehun ka aata. This is our regular roti parathe wala aata that we use daily. The roasting method is similar to besan laddu, so you need to roast this ghee and atta the way you do besan for your besan laddu. The color of the atta would change, it would slightly become dark, also the smell would change. You wouldn't get that raw atta smell. Then add 2 tablespoons more ghee and continue roasting. So total 6 tablespoons ghee is what we need in this recipe with 1 cup whole wheat flour. Whole wheat flour has more fiber, so it needs more ghee. After roasting, transfer this mixture to a bowl or a plate or parat, anything. While the mixture is hot, add 2 tablespoons cocoa powder. I am using Dutch processed, but you can use natural cocoa powder, but the cocoa powder I am using is also unsweetened, that is without sugar. Mix till the atta mixture and cocoa powder are incorporated really well. Next step is to add sugar, but don't add sugar while this mixture is hot. Let it cool down a bit, so it should be slightly warm before adding powdered sugar. So keep it aside for some time. Next add half cup powdered sugar. This is a regular sugar. You can use your mixer grinder to powder the sugar and then measure and add. After mixing, you can taste this mixture. If required, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons more sugar. Next, I am going to pop this in my freezer for 10 minutes so that the shaping of modaks become easy and the modaks hold their shape. I have checked the mixture and it has now become firm. So here I've got my modak mold. Grease your modak mold with some ghee. I suggest that if you have a plastic modak mold without 3 folds, only 2 folds, use that. It would be easier for you to shape your modaks using that type of mold. Take some mixture and stuff your modak mold with that. You can create a cavity and add some dry fruits inside, or you can add some filling inside if you want, or you can add some dry fruits to this entire mixture before shaping the modaks. Look at the beautiful cute mini modak. Make the rest of the modaks in the same way. While making modaks, if you feel that the mixture has become loose, pop the mixture in your fridge for some time and then you can make your modaks. Do not add less ghee thinking that your modak mixture would become firm, because as it would settle and sit for some time, your modak might become dry. With this recipe, you can make 15 to 16 small sized modaks. Look at the beautiful texture, and these modaks are melt in mouth. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy!